Today's math lesson is probably going to seem very, very easy. And part of the reason why it's going to be so easy is because you have worked hard all school year and you are ready for first grade in the fall. So, what I want you to do is to have a piece of paper and a pencil. And I am just going to tell you some numbers. And I just want you to write that number down neatly on your paper. And then after we're done with that, I'm going to give you a couple addition sentences and a few subtraction sentences to write on your paper and to solve as well. So, you have your paper ready? The first number I want you to write, let's see if I can get that a little bit better. There we go. First number I want you to write is a 7. Make sure you don't do it backwards. It look like that? All right. Now write for me a 5. Make sure you're using your best almost first grade handwriting. All right, let's do a 9. I want a 9, not a P. Let's go to those bigger numbers. Show me or write for me an 11. How about 14? 14. Make sure you're using that good handwriting. How about, let's go with an 18. Now let's do a 20. Remember what a 20 looks like? I hear 2 groups of 10. There is 20. All right, now let's do some addition sentences. And there again, they're going to be pretty easy, but they should be easy because you've been working hard all year. All right, so let's start with 4 plus 2 equals, and if you need to pause the video for a second to get the answer, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, could anybody walk in and read that? Make sure that if grandma stopped by or your uncle came over, that they would be able to read that on your paper. You got to make sure you're working neatly. All right, let's try another one. Let's go with 5 plus 3 equals, remember, if you start with the bigger number and go 5 and then add 3 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use that counting on. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to go big number on you. Let's go 12 plus 1 equals. So we're just counting one more than 12. We've got 12. One more is 13. Let's start with an 8 this time. So write 8 plus 2 equals, so start counting with 8, 8, 9, 10. Been pretty easy so far. All right, let's switch to subtraction now. Let's just start with 10 since we ended with 10 up there. Let's do 10. take away or subtract, so just the line, 1 equals, so I have 10. I'm going to just take away one of them. So I'm going to go backwards 1. Right, 9. Let's do 6. Take away, subtract 3 equals, so we have 6, and I have to go backwards 3. Did you say 3? Let's start with, let's go with a 7. We haven't used a 7 in a while. 7, take away 0. So I have 7 markers. I take away 0 markers. How many markers do I still have? That's right, 7 of them. And one more. Let's go with an 8. Take away 7. So I have 8 fingers, 8 toes. I take away 7 of them. That's almost all of them, isn't it? So 8 take away 7 equals 1. Now, you can keep practicing addition and subtraction sentences. You can have someone write them down for you. You can just write them down yourself and figure them out. Or you can also practice writing the numbers at least up to 20. And if you want to, you can even go higher than 20. I bet a lot of you out there can go all the way to 100. Make sure, though, that it's done neatly because remember, almost first graders use their best handwriting. All right, I'll see you later.